All right, what I did today was a quick small deck out here like I talked about. All right, it's nice, it's enough room. I'm not putting railings up yet because I have to pass sheetrock and stuff through, so I'll have to slide it in, you know. Once that's in, I'll have the railing up. I'll put a 4x4 on each corner, throw some balusters up, and I got a quick staircase here. Okay, nothing fancy. Right now it's on a piece of flagstone. I could always put concrete down there, but I'm gonna clean it out. Flagstone's good enough. It's on rock. And I got the stringers up with a couple of joist hangers, strong enough. And I threw some of the deck board down, okay? That's it. It's looking pretty good. It's simple, it's quick. It took me probably about 45 minutes to do all this. And it was about $110 for materials at the Home Depot, not including the screws or the drill, obviously, or the tools, but the deck boards and the stringers. All right, well, stay tuned. We're going to be going inside very soon to start working on the inside. All right, after the stairs are done, I'm starting to trim out the fascia and the soffit. All right, I got to caulk that, didn't have a piece long enough. It's going all the way across. Okay, Jesus fucking Christ, sorry about that. What I did was I ran a 1 by underneath to cover it all the way down. Jesus, I almost broke my leg. And now what I'm doing is I'm trimming out these windows. Okay, just making nice basic 1 by. I'm not gonna miter the corners. I want straight corners. Make it look kind of old school, you know. And that's what I'm using. When I'm finished with all this, I will start painting, and then we're gonna work on the inside. All right, but it's looking pretty good. And I'm gonna make sure I go around and caulk all the little cracks and holes wherever there are imperfections, because nothing is perfect. I got the saw out. I mean the miter. I'm using that to make my cuts. This thing here, I'm surprised. It's a good saw. Battery's fully charged. I even had the other batteries in it, but it binds up a lot and stops. I thought it only happened with the other one I had, the multi-tool, but it's working. It's happening with this one. So maybe these things heat up quick. If you had this issue with your octane, let me know. Put it down at the bottom. All right, I'm done with today. Trim the windows, did the fascia, the stuff. I ran that little tiny 1 by at the bottom. This is all going to be covered with bushes and stuff when I'm finished, so you don't see the the foundation or anything. Got the corner. All right, it's not bad. Up there, I did the best I could. I'll fill it in with some caulk and I'll paint it. It'll be fine. It looks good. Just have to do the other side. Didn't cut that piece off, but I'll shoot the other side tomorrow. And then I'm finished with the outside. It'll be all secured out here, ready for paint. Then I'll start bringing sheetrock and stuff, insulation in. Let's take a walk in here. Picked up this doorknob set right here. It's not bad. It's a 2-pack, okay? 21 bucks. Okay? Pretty good hardware. Okay? It's the Defiant. I'll tell you, it's not bad. Okay? It's got your deadbolt. I know what you're thinking. You can break the window, reach in. Okay, yeah, I get it. Come in the backyard, break the window, you know what I mean? Sonny will be waiting for you. But this is normally for a solid front door, okay? It's a 2-pack, 21 bucks. It'll do the job. And I have a couple pieces of plywood. I got to bring this up 3/4 of an inch just to level it out. I was off a little bit when I built this. I still got a lot of room under this door, even when I put down the flooring, whatever I choose, but I still have more than enough room. And then that's it. We'll start doing some wiring in here, some insulation. All right, and then we'll do some sheetrock work. All right, that's it for today. Have a nice weekend. I think it's, yeah, today's Sunday. Back to work tomorrow. And we'll catch you on the next one. Hey, don't forget, if you like these videos, hit that button. Hit the like button, okay? And subscribe, share, and like. You know, do it all, kid. And let me see if I can find my boy outside. Yo, Sonny! All right, we gotta look for him. I think he's in the house. He might be making an egg sandwich or something. All right, we'll be back. Catch you on the next one. Yo, Sonny! Sonny Babes! There he is. What are you doing, son? Here. Come. Sit. You're listening now. That's right, baby. It's all about the treats. Somebody commented. I appreciate it. Come on, Sonny, follow me. See that? This is what you call a shepherd, bro. Hey, don't forget. Sonny says to subscribe. You know what I'm saying, kid? Hey, Sonny. What are you doing up there? Huh?